Go High Level free trial and Go High Level 30-day free trial. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm showing you how you can turn this 14-day free trial into a 30-day free trial. And all you have to do is simply go through my special link down below. It's going to be an exclusive link where you can sign up and enjoy a 30-day free trial. So typically on GoHighLevel's official website, there is a 14-day free trial, and that's it. Okay, so you can try it out for 14 days, but I feel like that is really not enough time to really test out the platform, to get everything set up for yourself, and that's why I wanted to make a video going over this special 30-day free trial. And all you have to do to activate this special extended free trial is simply go through the link down below this video, or you can just simply go to gohighlevel.com/sen. So gohighlevel.com/sen, so SEN, and you'll come to this special page right here where you get an exclusive extended free trial, which is amazing. So it's pretty cool, and I'm going to go over how you can take advantage of this right now. So again, the first step to take advantage of the special free trial deal is simply just go through the link down below this video. And as you can see, you get a 30-day free trial. So any friend of Sen is a friend of ours. Basically, I've teamed up with GoHighLevel so they can, give you this exclusive 30-day free trial deal. Where as you can see on the screen right here, that is an amazing, amazing deal. So, enjoy a 30-day free trial instead of a 14-day free trial. That's basically the big benefit that you get right here. So as you can see, if you're a new customer to High Level, Sen has been able to work out a special deal where you get to try out Go High Level Unlimited plan for 30 days. High Level usually only has a 14-day trial, so obviously I'm really offering you a ton of value. So yeah, there's not much to really say, but I'm going to show you like how it works. So pretty much what we want to go ahead and do is fill in your information pretty much. And then basically you can sign up for an exclusive extended 30-day trial of Go High Level. So High Level right here, unlimited, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Also, if you're already a Go High Level user, they have a special High Level Pro plan. So we're giving current High Level users a massive discount for the first month of Go High Level Pro for our top affiliates. So that's obviously me. So just fill in your information right here, and as you can see, if you're currently on the High Level Agency Starter plan, you'll receive a $400 coupon. If you're currently on the High Level Agency Unlimited plan, you will receive a $200 off coupon to upgrade to the High Level Pro plan today. Again, you're just getting like a bunch of value right here, guys. Like there's even like some coupons and discounts you can take advantage of through the link down below. So depending if you're already a high level user or you're completely brand new, you can just again go through the link down below. You'll come to a page that looks something like this. You click on start and extend the free trial to get a 30-day free trial of High Level or Go High Level, whatever you want to call it. And then if you're already like a high level user, you can just click on this button right here and get some amazing like coupons and discounts right off the bat. I mean, this is just amazing, guys, basically, especially if you're like looking to like get a bunch of value and like get some coupons and even like a 30-day free trial instead of like the average 14-day free trial that everyone else gets, right? Like you came to the right video, I'll tell you that much, because you're going to be getting an extended 30-day free trial. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I want to make a quick video going over this special deal, and thanks for watching today's Go High Level free trial and Go High Level 30-day free trial video.